What's up guys, welcome back to my channel and in this new video. I just realized that I did not record the intro for this video, so here's a short sunset adventure that I did a couple weeks ago to a mountain called Chiavals. It's a very nice ridge with a crazy view all over the mountains, so I'm sure I'm gonna like it, and I hope you enjoy the photos and the videos that I took. So enjoy the video. Our goal is basically the top of that mountain. Looks pretty far. It actually is pretty far, but there's lots of time for sunset, no rush. The first part of the hike is in this amazing forest, and the first goal that we're gonna reach is a bivouac. It's called Bivacco Bianchi, and it's a fantastic bivouac with an incredible view all over the mountains. Sadly, all bivouacs are now closed, or I mean they're open, but it's forbidden to stop overnight unless it's an emergency. So the only solution, if anyone wants to spend the night up there, is with the tent. This place is awesome. Here's the bivouac. Can you see these red and yellow signs? Well, that's our way. It's not an official trail, but it's more than enough not to get lost. We are on the ridge. Welcome to the top. Amazing. I did not remember it to be so beautiful. You can basically see like 360 towards Julian Alps in the background, Austria in that direction, and another area of my region called Carnia on the west. From the photographic side, what I'm mainly interested in is the ridge towards this mountain called Zug dal Bor. And actually I like the lower part of the ridge a little bit more. So I'm gonna rest a little bit and then I'll start to go towards that area to check out some compositions and wait for the best light. This looks kind of interesting. So the current situation is that there are a lot of clouds in the horizon and there is a little break that is actually creating this sort of ray and is hitting the right side of the mountain. But as you can see, there are more clouds on the right, so the light is not hitting the left side of the mountain, which kind of sucks because I was hoping for the whole ridgeline lit up by the sunset, but I think it's not gonna happen. I started to shoot some details towards that direction because the layers look awesome. There is some sort of mist in the middle, so it creates a lot of depth. And I noticed something very familiar because I've seen the Dolomites. I can see Pelmo, Antelao, Civetta maybe. I'm not 100% sure, but it looks like Civetta. I'm gonna check later. And it reminds me of that morning when I was standing on top of Monte Civetta at sunrise, and I shot an image of a lot of layers, and in the background basically the Julian Alps were visible. So it's really nice to see like the opposite sides. So this video has now come to an end. I hope you enjoyed it. Subscribe to my channel, like this video, and see you in the next adventure.